Pay attention, Blueberry. The migratory patterns of the monarch require precise calculations, not guesswork. Now, solve for...
Today we're going to create something new and really amazing. Content that is currently going viral all over YouTube, social media, TikTok, and Instagram. You can also create the same kind of videos that are getting millions of views, and it's very easy to do. We'll be using a very good and trending website where you can create AI videos, lip sync content, image to video, face swap, AI image upscaler, talking photos, AI clothes changes, and much more. Unlimited high quality features. For example, you can look at this channel I'm going to show. It has only 140 subscribers and has uploaded just 40 videos, mostly fruit videos. And yet it's gone viral with millions of views. You can create the exact same type of videos using this website. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and like the video. Let's get started and see how we can create these videos using this new website. First, you need to open Magic Hour AI. I'll provide the link in the description so you can easily access it from there. Once you open it, you'll see many options like face swap, image to video, lip sync, talking photo, text to video, and more. But I'll guide you through the main and best features that you can use to create amazing and trending videos. The good thing is that you can also use it for free, as it offers a free trial. You can even upscale images and use several other powerful features, which I'll explain today. First, click on the login button. After logging in, you'll notice that you already have credits. Around 400 credits are provided initially. There is also a claim daily credits option. When you click on it, your credits will increase, for example, up to 500. This means you get daily free credits that you can use to create videos like face swap, image to video, lip sync, talking photo, text to video, and many more. Now, let's talk about creating trending videos like the ones I showed earlier. I will also provide the prompt in the YouTube description and comment section. You just need to download it and copy all the prompts. After copying the prompts, go to ChatGPT. Paste the prompts there and simply write, "Give me more image prompts. I want to make more videos." ChatGPT will generate more prompts for you in the same style. You can repeat this process and create unlimited prompts and videos as you like. Once your prompts are ready, save them and go back to Magic Hour AI. Then, click on the AI Image Generator option. This is where you will start creating your visuals. Now what you need to do here is simply copy the prompt and paste it. I'll copy the prompt and paste it here. After that, select the size according to your need. Either 9:16 for Reels Shorts or 16:9 for YouTube. I'll choose the Reel size and click on it. As you can see, the image generation has started. After a few moments, the result will appear, and you can see the image quality is really impressive. In the same way, you need to copy and paste all your prompts one by one to generate multiple images. This is a very powerful website for both image and video creation. Now you can see all the images are generated and they look amazing. Exactly the kind of results we wanted. I've pasted all the prompts and the output is high quality and visually appealing. Next, we move to video creation. For that, you can use the image to video option. You can also use text to video by simply copying and pasting the prompt, but since we already created images, I'll go with image to video. Click on image to video, then upload your image. The benefit of using images is that you can create exactly what you want and then turn it into a video. After uploading, you'll see different models like Luma 3.0, 3.0 Fast, Sora, and others. You can use any of them, whichever you prefer. I'll now paste your video prompt, select the duration, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or as you like, and then click on Generate Video. After a short time, your video will be ready, and you can see how amazing and high quality it looks. Similarly, you can upload another image, paste the prompt again, click on Create Video, and generate more videos easily. This is how you can create high quality image to video content on this platform without any difficulty. Now, let me tell you about the next benefit, which is very important. Alright, now that we've created the audio and everything, let's move to the most important part. One of the key features is the AI Image Upscaler. This helps you enhance your images and convert them into HD quality very easily. Let me show you how it works. For example, you'll see an option called AI Image Upscaler. Click on Upload, and this interface will appear. Now simply upload any image. I'll upload this one as an example since its quality isn't very good. After that, you'll see options like 2x and 4x. If you select 2x, the quality will improve a bit, but if you select 4x, the quality will be much better. I'll choose 4x and click on Upscale Image. Within a few seconds, you'll see an amazing result. The image becomes much sharper. You can clearly notice details like hair, eyes, and overall clarity. The result looks very clean, sharp, and high quality. This is how easily you can convert your images into HD. Now let's move to the second feature, Face Swap. Click on Face Swap Photo. Here, you need to upload 2 images. First, upload the main image, then upload the second image, the face you want to swap. After that, click on Generate Image. It will take a few seconds, and then the face will be swapped. You can see how easily and quickly the result is generated. This is a very powerful feature. Now the next feature is lip syncing, which is also very interesting. I'll explain this at the end. Lip syncing allows you to add your own voice to any video. For example, if you have a video and you want to replace its audio with your own voice, you can do that easily. Just click on the lip sync option. Then upload your video. After uploading, click on Add Target Audio and upload your own voice recording. Once you generate it, it will take a little time, and then your video will be ready with your voice perfectly synced. The result looks very realistic and impressive. So basically,
The key takeaway here is that you must adapt your strategy now, or you risk being left behind in this rapidly changing environment.
today I'll show you how you can easily create videos using this website and go viral. You can create everything on this platform: videos, images, HD images, face swap content, and even voice-based videos. I've explained the complete process in this course. It's a very powerful and amazing website where you can create almost anything easily. Generate high-quality content. You can create AI videos, generate images, upscale visuals, and produce realistic lip-sync animations with audio. It also supports text-to-video generation, making it perfect for YouTube automation and social media content. The platform is user-friendly and saves time by automating complex tasks. Whether you're a beginner or professional, MagicHour.ai provides creative tools to bring your ideas to life quickly and efficiently. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll keep bringing more videos like this in the future.
You think you can cut me? I am fire!